What's up, Chad? We up in Cam house right now. Say what's the word?
What's good, cuz?
That's my stir right there. I be picking him from the back. But anyways, y'all, I had work today. Work was so fucking ass, G. Like, this woman got cut, a little ass cut on her finger, and she talking about she want to file an incident report. Bitch, I'm finna give you an incident to file, bitch. When I tell you that motherfucker was like about this big, she talking about I don't want no money, I just don't want nobody else to get hurt. Bitch, you know you want some money. Fuck Kim, how was your day?
My day was chill, man.
What you do?
I woke up.
Suck some dick? No, my bad.
I chilled on the couch for a little bit, made some breakfast, and then I went. Yeah, pretty much. And then I went to Dave's Hot Chicken. Got some Dave's Hot Chicken. That shit was delicious. I got some without my stud.
He know I love Dave's Hot Chicken. You fake as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
And then Chris back there, he know he fake as fuck because he double know that I love Dave's Hot Chicken. And he
I didn't know he was going.
And then after that, we went to, it was like a little boxing match in the park. And it was like a little slide show. And then I came back to my crib, and then here we are.
And then he drank a whole cup of water. Yeah. And now he trying to find a hoe to fuck.
Oh, bro.
We downtown, baby.
He in the market like.
You said what, Chris?
You talking about stuff you don't even see, nigga. You shouldn't be in the fucking Get the fuck over!
Yeah, just hold it.
Where my fucking window hook?
On my name, I'm Maury for the biggest, I'm the captain. Did my math in school, you know I'm hella good with all my fractions. Knock the nigga off, no question asked, and leave you in the past tense. Murray's on my feet, you seeing me, some shit you can't imagine.
We just pulled up to this park, we finna see what's going on, though, man.
What's
my
up,
boy
Bird?
Chris.
What's up,
my boy Ahmed right here, man.
I ain't getting the camera, cuz.
That's good. Oh, bro. Hey, over there, revving that shit, you can hear that mother. Damn. Bitch, hella loud. But yeah, we just pulled up, though. We finna go check it out. So look. Woo! That gotta be a Durango. This what it's like in St. Louis, y'all. Damn. They was just boxing. They revving that shit down here though. Oh yeah. Woo! We got a bunch of Hellcats in this bitch. Ah.
Motherfucker got no cancer or nothing.
Say what, I mean? With it?
Motherfucker got no cancer.
Yeah.
That shit good. Hey.
Yeah.
We got more. Specialty wings.
Come on, look at my room.
Thanks, City boy. Okay.
Yeah. You ready, cuz? You ready, cuz?
It's good. It's perfect. Hey, boy, I got 50 on you. I got 50 on you.
Oh, yeah?
I got 50 on you. Boy, if you don't. That's our boy. Hey, y'all. Hey, do me a favor. When somebody fall, please do not rush the circle, cuz. Like, let them get back up and then keep going, cuz.
On bro, on bro.
Don't rush this motherfucker because it's not over. You know what I'm saying? All right, you ready, move? Move, ready? Hey, anybody got a minute? Okay, set a minute. Okay, who else want to make a side bet? You want to bet? You want to bet? Y'all want to bet? So you want one round? You want one round? You want one round with him? I smoke cigarettes. 230 seconds in. 30 seconds. 1 minute. All right, you ready? Hey, man, take your cameras on, man. Let's go, man.
That's the last night.
We did. Ready? Ready? Let's roll.
Oh, yeah. Hey, chill. Oh, my God. Damn. Talk to him. Talk to him. Oh, yeah. Hey, who you got your bread on? Don't bet against the city boys. Yeah. I put bet.
Alright, chat, that brings us to the end of the video, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.